Cutting the steaks up now. As you can see, the grain is going this way. Sup, Fire Squad? I'm making dinner today, Cash. I'm going to be making steaks out of a whole piece of a cow. This is how it looks. This is beef sirloin tip. I'm gonna get some steaks out of this. A roast.
What kind of a cow is this?
I think this is the butt.
This is a big fat thing.
But look, so I wanted to show you all the price. You got this at a local market here called Smart and Final, as you can see. Now, this is choice meat. It's not prime, but that's okay. But usually for the steak, for this price, no. You would only get like 2 out here. So we're probably gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about at least 6 or 7 steaks out of this. So, all right, let me get this beef sirloin. Watch out, baby. Get this out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it without getting the blood everywhere, the best as I can. So I'm just gonna open it. Say hi.
Hi.
Face over there. All right,
help.
Well, you gotta watch out. There's a lot of blood over here. Take my ring off. Hopefully, Kmoney don't catch me. Oh. No. I don't want the blood to get in the grooves. This is the only time I take my ring off. I don't even take my ring off to wash anything. I don't take my ring off to change the pamper. Because I don't want raw meat to get into my ring. She's not listening. Blood.
Mine's your baby blood.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Ew.
Mine's your baby girl.
Watch out, boo boo. Watch out. There's supposed to be like a natural groove in here somewhere where I can use pretty much my hands to separate it. So all of this is stuff you don't want to keep. This stuff right here is chewy. You don't want to. We call that silver skin when I was taught. So you basically got to find a groove. So you see this opening? You push your hands in to separate the first step. It won't completely separate because some of the tendons and stuff. But as you can see, it's like letting you separate it by hand right there. Oh. So this part right here is mainly where we're gonna get our steaks from. This part right here, obviously it's falling apart, where we can get our like fajitas or something to make up with.
Ay, sonríe tú, pero el feliz soy yo. Vete pa' que me bautices. Entre la luna y el sol, pegado siento calor, yeah, yeah. Como una historia pa' que me deslice. Y el deslizado soy yo, como haciendo el amor, yeah, yeah. Es que estoy puesto pa' ti.
Cutting the steaks up now. As you can see, the grain is going this way, so which is those lines. And we're gonna make like a cross. So I'm gonna cut it like here. And let the knife do the work, of course. So we can get a cleaner cut. Look at that. Nice cut. Sirloin right there.
Rapidito pa' uno de esos si te atreves. Y si caigo por la noche será de más. Será de más. Fresco como mentor, te caliento como el sol. Baby, no te hago el favor, hacemos el amor. Eso es a puro vapor. Y es que se siente mejor si es penalti pedimos el VAR. A lo Messi te meto ese gol. En la disco queremos perrear.
Alright, I got my steaks cut out now. So how many I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I cut these in half for the babies. 8 together. And then if you count all that together, that's 9. So 9 steaks for $28 plus a pot roast, or fajitas or whatever we want to do.
I think we saved a lot of money. Like
how
a lot
much would
of
9
money.
steaks usually cost us?
A few $100.
Yeah, for sirloins, right?
Yeah, and this is choice, right?
Yeah, this choice right below prime.
Right below prime.
And so, Eliott, can you give me some seasonings like garlic,
We have diced garlic.
Yeah, that'll work. That garlic, pepper, of course. I'm gonna put, yeah, that one will work. And I'm gonna put all of these seasonings in it, and I'm gonna rub it, do like a dry rub.
Thyme?
Huh? Thyme? Yeah. I need a herb, thyme, and then a little bit of olive oil, that garlic, fresh garlic oil.
Garlic?
Yeah. But and then I have the
Tastes so
thyme.
good.
Yeah.
Use it on bread.
All right. Since I got all the seasoning in, now I'm gonna put in some Worcestershire. Babe, how do you say it? You say it so funny. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
How are you supposed to say it? All right. Comment down below if I got it right, Atrain, or Mom Kmoney got it right. I say it's Worcestershire sauce.
And I know darn well I'm not saying it right because I say Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, that's definitely right.
That's
If anybody votes for you, they just trying to be Team Kmoney on me.
Team Kmoney.
Team Mom Squad, I guess.
Mom squad, mom's life.
Oh Lord. So like I said, I got soy sauce.
Shout out to Kmoney, Eliott TV.
Oh Lord, she had to do that, huh?
Sure did.
Anyways, but yeah, I'm just gonna rub it down a little bit, just rub it good, and then to hurry up and like penetrate the meat, I have some type of vinegar in here. I think I'm gonna use. See how the steaks came out? Ooh, Faith, smell that. Smell it. How's that smell? She said smell good. Yeah, we're gonna have some nice dinner, and I try not to cook it too well done because it's not prime meat, babe. It's not prime. It's not on your level. I apologize that, you know, I didn't sell my leg for your steak. But it's okay.
I need prime.
You need prime, baby.
Prime in my life.
So
No, but this was a good deal though.
yeah, it was a good deal. $29 for, I don't know, 8.83 pounds.
It was like a big old
And we got it from
Smart and Final.
Smart and Final. Comment down below if you have a Smart and Final where you are. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get dinner. So I'm glad you got to see how I cut this up. And then also, Mom, she made some macaroni and cheese. And then just to let you know, my Nana, if you're watching, she said it's going to be better than yours.
I didn't say that. This is a different recipe, not even mine.
Oh, shoot. And then you have, what is this, some southern green beans and potatoes with some corn. That looks fire. This is going to be amazing. What you think?
It's going to taste good.
So we're going to go ahead and do a little quick taste test and see how it really came out. All right, Sean and Cash are here. The two, they're trying the steak that I cut up. Let's see. This is one of the, oh, you got A1 on it. You ain't even tried without A1 first. Let's see. What are you thinking? What do you think so far? Is bussin'?
By itself? 10.
By itself. Try it by itself.
Yeah,
That steak good?
I rate it on 1,000 without it and 1,000 with it.
Okay. Mom made some amazing mac. Let's see how Mom's mac tastes.
Taste, don't cap. Just
Don't
tell
cap.
the
Be
truth.
honest. Is our macaroni bomb? Or is it okay? Is it bomb.com? Out of 5. Be honest.
I think I took the wrong piece.
Oh! He said, I think I took the wrong piece. What you trying to say? He's like, that piece.
I will rate it about everything.
Cash.
Thank you, Cash. Okay. Sean, be honest. What is it out of 5?
Kind of tastes like the macaroni by itself.
All right. No cheese. You ain't
I didn't put enough
cheese.
cheese. That thing I was worried about was making it too salty. I didn't want to do that.
Well, popping up on the screen is another suggested video. Go ahead and click it, binge watch it. Stay
Stay blessed and highly favored. Peace.